Hello, my name is Alan. I'm the founder of CM5. We are the only vendor can provide 1 centimeter precise link positioning within 20 meters worldwide. What kind of business pain we want to solve? What if you are an engineer now? When you finish your maintenance for aircraft, just one single tool you cannot find, it will become disaster, right? Compared with current positioning solution, they are quite expensive. So that's important page we want to emphasize. The left-hand side one is other company, RFID. They cannot provide the precise link positioning. Okay, let's check. Please wonder which one is they are looking for.
We could select all items to find all the cables for inventory checking mode, and you could find all cable flash. Then we try another function. When one of cables is fail, we just need choose server power on app and find server cable flash only to fix it.
We got a patent from Taiwan and also win the AIT award from Hsinchu government and also got an award from Steven Asia Award. And we are the top 3 startup out of 2,800 other startups from the startup competition from the Taiwan government. Okay, that's it. Any questions?